Let's look at this question now. If two cars with different speeds simultaneously start moving towards each other from point A and B, they meet after 2 hours. Instead, if the faster car starts from A, the slower car starts from B, and both the cars move in same direction along the line AB, then the faster car would catch up with the slower car in 9 hours. If these two cars start moving towards each other simultaneously with their respective speeds from the 2 points separated by 27 kilometers, find the distance that the faster car travels when it meets the slower car. Okay, so this is the case, right? If A and B are going in opposite direction, meeting time taken in meeting is 2 hours, right? And this point is actually separated by these points are separate. Okay, so if the point are separated by, so these are 2 points AB, right? Two cars C1 and C2. These are 2 points AB. So this is car C1 and this is car C2. Correct. This is, I'm assuming, the faster car and this is the slower one, right? Car faster and this is car slower. So time taken is 2 hours. So this would be time taken is 2 hours, and that would be length of this track divided by sum of their speed. That is the relative speed. So speed of faster car plus speed of slower car, right? Now, when they move in same direction, that is car one in going in this direction and faster is going in this direction, slower is also going in this direction, then the time taken in meeting would be 9 hours. So that would be initial distance upon the relative distance, relative speed of these cars. That would be car faster minus car slower, right? If I divide these two relations, if I divide two relations, to 2 by 9 would be equal to car faster. 2 by 9 would be equal to, or let's divide this second by first, right? So let me just divide 2 by 1. Let me just divide 2 by 1. So what do I get? 9 by 2 is equal to car faster plus car slower upon car faster minus car slower. Now, using componendo and dividendo, A plus B, A minus B, I can get the ratio of these two speeds of these two cars, and that would be 9 plus 2 over 9 minus 2, and that is car faster upon car slower. So what is the ratio of these speeds of these two cars? It is 11 upon 7. It is 11 upon 7. Now, what is the question asked? That if these two cars start moving toward each other simultaneously with their respective speeds from 2 points separated by 27 kilometers. If this is 27 kilometers between them, car faster is going in this way, car slower is going opposite to it. Find the distance that the faster car travels when it meets the slower train, right? So let's assume this is the meeting point. This is the meeting point. Now, because the ratio of speed is 11:7, time taken in meeting would be same. If faster car takes t time, then slower car also take t times. So this is the time taken by both of them. If it is constant, if t is constant, then distance traveled by them would be directly proportional to the speed, right? Ratio of speed of faster and slower, ratio of speed is 11:7. So the distance covered by faster and slower would be in the ratio 11:7. So we need to find distance that the faster car travels. So faster car travels 11 upon 18 times the total distance, that is 27. So this would become 9 3 times, 9 2 times. So 33 point divided by 2. That is 16.5. Or option C is the correct answer.